Magandang araw po. Ako si Annabel Jugador. Nandito tayo sa Jugador Dairy Farm at Green Acres. Dito sa farm, we give importance to recording. First, we record the calvings. Importante yun. Ma-identify at malagyan ng ear tags yung calves at saka yung male or female siya ma-identify, and then i-record din doon sa record ng dams yung mga anak nila, kung kailan how many times na sila nanganak, at saka especially yung date para ma-consider yung time that they will be on milk. On the day na manganak sila, yung milk, hindi pa yun ibibenta. Iano pa yun, iubusin pa yun ng calves and other calves around na still on milk. Pag 5 days after, pwede na yung milk, commercial na yun, pwede na ibenta. Yung isa yun na ng recording, na dapat talaga malaman when naanak yung calf and when nanganak yung dam. And then after that, yung ibang recording, yung breeding, so that we will know kung sino ang ama ng calf or the sire of the calf. And in that way, we will know na para hindi mag-inbreeding in the later years. So, ang pinaka-importante dito na in-record namin yung milk production ng bawat dam. Every day, we have a record. Morning and afternoon, we record the production. Because doon sa production nila, malaman mo pag, of course, if high producer siya or low producer. And then, pag high producer siya, and then biglang bumaba yung milk niya, maano mo na something is wrong. You can, you have reason to check, double check, anong nangyari. Baka may lagnat ba kaya siya or may sugat kaya. So that's also very important.